Hey teachers! So since may nag-request sa atin na ang ating i-upload naman daw is all about first homeroom PTA meeting, since malapit na nga magbukas yung ating pasukan and alam naman natin after this, ilang weeks lang, magkapatawag tayo ng meeting with our parents to discuss certain matter and kung ano yung ating mga nais ilagay sa ating agenda. So to begin with, as you can see, ito yung ating PowerPoint to make it easy because as of now, mas magiging maganda at madali yung ating meeting if we have the PowerPoint, the sequence of topics that you're going to present. So first, ito muna, we have prepared yung ating opening slide. Andiyan na, yung school logo, yung school logo is kayo na lang po yung maglagay ng logo nyo, ng school. Then of course, hindi mawawala after that, opening prayer, followed by the Philippine National Anthem if you want. But then you can remove this kung ayaw nyo naman. Then of course, maglalagay tayo ng mga wonderful thoughts to ponder. So, ganda lang ng sequence ng flow ng ating meeting. And after that, greetings and presentation of your agenda. So these are some of the common topics that we are going to put in our agenda. Hindi mawawala dyan, one of the agendum, ito, yung matatag curriculum, because we're going to present and discuss this to our parents. Dapat maunawaan nila ito, especially kung kayo ay ma-handle ng grade 4, grade 1, kinder, or grade 7, mahalaga na ma-discuss natin yung matatag curriculum. Then, class program, grading system, kasi bago, baka isipin nila bago, but then, as you can see, almost the same lang naman. Then, election of homeroom PTA officers and others. So, that's it. Pwede nyo po itong i-edit and download. That's all. So, I hope it helps. Good luck po sa ating lahat.